Revit 2022 introduces expanded functionalities that better connect Revit with Rhino and FormIt Pro. Link Rhino files directly to Revit to accelerate your project documentation. Changes to the Rhino file are immediately updated in Revit by reloading the link or opening the project. Host and link your conceptual Rhino file in Autodesk Docs and ensure all stakeholders have access to the latest and greatest design information. Translate Revit elements seamlessly into a FormIt Pro session using the new 3D Sketch functionality. Continue exploring and tweaking your design using the fluid, intuitive modeling capabilities of FormIt. Send FormIt geometry directly into Revit. FormIt materials are preserved seamlessly as Revit materials. Streamline your design, exploration, and documentation processes with improved interoperability in Revit 2022.